Assalamualaikum. Hello dear viewers. Welcome back to another video. Today I was with some colorful fish. This fish is looking good, mashallah. And playing well. Beautiful scenery, beautiful scenery. What is the English? It's amu. English, what is mother? Mother. Mother means ma, amu. Stone means? Stone means? Stone means? Pathor. Teeth. Daat. Bite. Kamur. Looking good. Mashallah. Playing well. Beautiful scenery. Take it. Oh, this is big sun. Whoa. Playing well, playing well. Yes. Yes. Oh, you go from here. Don't go. Come back. Looking good. Mashallah. Playing well. This is beautiful scenery. This is beautiful scenery. Oh. Oh yes. Just give a jump and go from your hand and in the pond. Okay. Can I understand? You can understand? Yes. You say yes. You can understand?
Yes.
Yes. Good girl.
Come on.
It is not bit bite because there are no teeth. Okay. Mashallah, mashallah, playing well. Beautiful scenery. I want to watch you. Wow, this is very beautiful. Oh, এইভাবে ধরবে কেমন? এইভাবে ধরলেও ব্যথা পাবে। হ্যাঁ। Whoa, looking good. Mashallah, playing well. They're playing well. Oh, beautiful scenery. Beautiful scenery. Oh, they go to their hand, their friendship, doing friendship. Oh, they go to their hand, they're doing friendship himself. Oh, yes, beautiful scenery. This is beautiful scenery. Exciting moment. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Allah Hafiz. Tata. Bye bye. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.